The Onshore escape system is a versatile evacuation kit designed to be used as a last resort option in life-endangering scenarios. The purpose of the system is to allow the driver of the machinery to evacuate to safety from the equipment they operate, for example in a fire situation. To trigger the use of the escape system, two factors are required. 1. The equipment they operate is stuck or immobilised at height, and 2. The life of the operator is at risk. When life is at risk, there is no time to waste. However, the Onshore escape system should only be used following appropriate safety training. Training is normally conducted in the real working environment, so the operators are ready and competent to use it when the need arises. The escape system can be used in warehousing and distribution centres. It has historically proven itself as a vital lifesaver in a serious on-site fire emergency. The new style Onshore escape bag includes the following benefits: hermetically sealed packaging, 10 years operational life, no periodic inspection cost, moisture indicator for a simplified inspection. For more information, please use our telephone number 0330 390 0822, or you can visit our website arcoservices.co.uk.